So friends, welcome to my channel. If your Brawl Stars game is stuck at 92% on the loading screen and if you are facing matchmaking problem in your Brawl Stars game, so guys watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why your Brawl Stars game stuck at 92% and what is the solution of this problem. So guys watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, firstly, today Brawl Stars game servers is down right now and this is the reason why you are facing the loading screen problem in Brawl Stars game and also matchmaking problem in the Brawl Stars game. And you are not only one, many people facing this problem in Brawl Stars today. The red line is at the up and down. It means today many people facing the in Brawl Stars game today. So guys, how to fix this issue? So guys, this is the server issue and the Brawl Stars game team working on fixing the servers of the Brawl Stars game, and it may take some minute or an hour. So guys, what you have to do, you have to wait for some minute or an hour because in fixing the servers of the Brawl Stars it may take some minute or an hour, and after some minute or an hour Brawl Stars game team will be fixed the servers of the Brawl Stars and you are enjoying your gameplay in the Brawl Stars in some minute or an hour. So guys, you have to wait for some time, and if you guys having any other problem in your Brawl Stars game, you can comment me trying to solve your problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.